Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have my MDF heart on this motorized spinner. It has this thing has a magnets here, and you attach this to that part and should be okay. And I have this thing that I can, regulate how fast this spins. You see, I will just go a little bit. So this is on 2, 3. So I don't know how fast it should be safe, but I don't know, maybe I will not go on the fastest speed, and I will just freestyle a little bit, just adding some colors because I want to spin that out really bad. So I definitely want some paint there. So this is my pearl white mixture, and this is phthalo, Prussian blue, not phthalo blue. And this is deep magenta. And this is gold. And some turquoise green. And I will just put those cups on the side because paint will just spread all around. Oh, I don't know if I told you, this is from paintpourstore.com. I love their products. So I will just try to tilt a little bit around. Need to find the right spot. Okay, so maybe I will flicker some paint around before I will spin it out. Okie doke. You probably all know Colin Shaw. He does an amazing art, but I'm not Colin Shaw, so I don't know. what will happen. So I just covered myself with the box too. Totally not sure what to think about this. Totally not fan of the composition. So I will just go once more. I had to remove this camera because my table is not solid enough and it was start to, you know, shaking, and I was afraid that my camera will fall into the painting. I wouldn't prefer that because it would be a total mess. I definitely like this one much more, and I will leave it to dry. What I see and what I like those, you know, lines that you kind of see that paint was try to flow. I don't necessarily think that my pearl white mixture is the best. I was thinking that maybe I will get some lacing, but I got some kind of weird looking things, but it's okay. See that I need some turquoise paint here to add, because it's not covered the edge here and here, so probably wasn't the best idea to grab this hard for this technique, but I don't know, I just felt that I want to do a heart, so I will leave this one to dry, and I will paint my sides later because the paint just doesn't flow over if you spin so fast, and we will see how it will look like. It's definitely a funky one. Want to see those lines that go like that, so less just thin ribbons of paint would be probably better. There is a lot of that magenta, but if I will spin out more, it will probably spin out even more, so I will leave it like it is. So stay tuned for the dried results. So here is the dried result. Yeah, I leave it to dry because I wanted to see my table was shaking really bad when I spin it out, so I will definitely do my installation on the floor and try once more, but not on the heart-shaped thing. But it was fun and interesting, and definitely some ideas for my next attempt. So thanks for watching, and see you again on Friday. Bye!